Hello, I'm John Beluca. I have 30 plus years of experience as a software developer within the Microsoft tech stack of languages, frameworks, and products. I have been interested how Blazor can dramatically increase productivity, quality, and usage of custom applications. Overall, I focus on helping software development teams move forward within the Microsoft tech stack. The Microsoft .NET framework, languages, and tools have been around for over 20 years and continue to evolve. In particular, Blazor is an excellent choice for most developers using .NET to create web, mobile, and desktop applications. The Microsoft Office APIs can be tricky to utilize. There are many options to choose from when it comes to performance and capabilities. Many companies now rely on the cloud, whether using Azure or AWS. With all these factors, deciding what and how to upgrade or rewrite while being able to scale your applications is critical to get right. You do not want to keep guessing your return on investment, ROI, whether the updated solution will be maintainable, and you want the best choice for the team that must support the applications moving forward. For those trying to figure out how to move forward within the Microsoft tech stack, Blazor is an excellent focal point due to its benefits of creating mobile, web, and desktop applications for your users, to where C# is already a superior language to use at the server. Many organizations are coming from using ASP.NET with either web forms or MVC, in which moving to Blazor is a sensible choice. There are also many organizations that have legacy code written in Microsoft's Active Server Pages, (ASP), Visual Basic, VB, or even Microsoft Access, in which, again, moving to Blazor is a sensible choice. Many organizations have gone down the path of creating native desktop applications with Microsoft's Windows Forms or Windows Presentation Foundation, WPF, or they have gone down the path of creating native mobile applications with Xamarin or .NET MAUI. Blazor provides a web development standard that can be applied to mobile, web, or desktop applications. One sad truth is that most organizations have gone down the path of a pure JavaScript development stack. On the server side, organizations have sacrificed performance to use Node.js with JavaScript instead of a compiled and very performant .NET application written in C#. On the client side, organizations would choose React, Angular, or Vue.js because they were the best options a few years ago. For organizations that prefer the Microsoft tech stack, Blazor is now usually the best choice. Blazor is also an excellent choice when developing to the new standard for Microsoft Office add-ins and Microsoft Teams. As you look to the future of user interfaces, Microsoft is already preparing to release AI extensions to Microsoft Copilot, OpenAI's ChatGPT, Meta's Llama, Google's Gemini, and many others. AI extensions standardize integration with various AI aspects like never before. When moving from ASP.NET or from other Microsoft legacy tech stacks, the process is a conversion. When moving from Microsoft's desktop or mobile developer stacks or any of the JavaScript frameworks, the process can be a hybrid approach to where you combine the Blazor and C# code base with the older code base. No matter which code base you are coming from or evolving, software development teams should take an iterative approach and deliver updates frequently. I can help with all these aspects. One of the best uses of Blazor is to adopt a component library. The radzen Blazor Studio provides a visual designer to build Blazor applications, and it provides the correct balance of visual editing of components and working with the C# code base. The radzen Blazor components are the preferred components to use. Third-party and your custom components can be used in the designer as well. The radzen Blazor components are open source and available on GitHub with a very permissible MIT license. If you're tired of creating a new website for every Blazor web application, then Oqtane might be an excellent choice. Oqtane is a cross-platform content management system, CMS, and application framework for building modern web experiences on .NET and Blazor. Oqtane is open source and available on GitHub with a very permissible MIT license. Oqtane applications are composed of reusable web components providing a consistent and efficient development experience. Oqtane especially shines when it comes to administration. Common website management aspects like user management, event logs, and multi-site administration are all built in. The combination of the Microsoft tech stack, Blazor, radzen, and Oqtane will provide your organization great leverage to quickly and effectively achieve your goals. I have 3 options for how we can work together. First, we could work together on an advisory-based contract. This allows for 24/7 access to my 30 plus years of experience that can be structured as coaching, training, small cohort, or consulting. It is like insurance for your software development team moving forward within the Microsoft stack. For first-time clients, this is usually the best and safest choice. The price for an advisory engagement is within 4 figures, and the average engagement usually spans across 4 weeks to get the results you expect. For something more specific to Blazor, check out my options at movingtoblazor.com. Second, I offer a project-based contract to where I would deliver a specific deliverable within how your platform is evolving. The price for a project engagement is within 5 figures, and the target for deliverables usually span between 4 and 12 weeks. Third, the solution-based contract is where I, and possibly others, simply do it all. The price for a solution engagement is within 6 figures, and the target for deliverables usually begins after 4 weeks. The duration of the creating, implementing, and transferring the solution usually takes 6 to 12 months. For everything I do, I provide a 100% guarantee for my work. I always start with a free consultation to see if there is a good fit. To start the conversation, email me at john@johnbaluka.com. I look forward to hearing from you. Also, feel free to check out my YouTube channel, connect with me on LinkedIn, check out my GitHub repository, see my available presentations and workshops on sessionize.com for conferences and meetups, go to movingtoblazor.com to see more options, or go to multimodalslides.com to learn more about my side project that is also getting written in Blazor.